Hey guys, VCcoins Nevada here. I got another letter in the mail today, and it's actually a little newsletter, pretty professional, from the Gilson family. It says the Gilson Clan newsletter. The Gilson Clan now has its own community sticker. The Gilson Clan has created a community sticker to share among the many great people in the coin and PM stacking community pouring metals. This was a collaborative project among the Gilson family. We sure hope that everyone likes the sticker. Right here it says members of the Gilson clan YouTube channel names are John Gilson, Samantha Gilson, M. Gills, Matt Gilson, Ben Gilson, Johnny Gilson, and Tom Gilson. It says visit the above mentioned channels and subscribe, watch, comment, and share. So make sure you guys all subscribe to these guys, the Gilson clan. Very cool family. Awesome family. Everybody's involved in the coin community and in pouring metals. They watch all my videos. They're very cool. And check out their channels. They all have channels. Subscribe and like their videos or whatever. And don't forget to like this video, actually. But Gilson clan, thank you very much for the sticker. It's on the fridge, and we're gonna show that here in just 1 second. I'm gonna do a video on my sticker fridge update. Hang on a second. Hey guys, I'm back, and we're gonna go ahead and update the sticker fridge, and we're gonna show you the updated stickers. Here's the newest one, right there, right on top, the new Gilson clan sticker. It's got their family crest on there. Very cool. Great addition to my sticker fridge. Awesome. Thank you guys very much again for the sticker. I really appreciate it. And then we have Silver Seeker, Finders Keepers, Mr. Dime Digger, TLT Coin Hunter. We have Mr. RFT, Rob Finds Treasures, Debbie B's Booty, Keep Stacking. Got Coinman 5000, Big T Coins, Coin Karma, another new sticker, Backyard Scrapping. Thank you, sir. And of course we have Nautical Silver. I love that one with the ship. I love ship coins. So that's very cool. I don't know if I show them Coinman 5000 yet or not, but there's Coinman 5000. And here we go. Let's go this way. Mr. Lemonhead Penny. I got both of his. Very cool. Baggins Dragons. We got Mr. Todd Miller, Don't Tread on Me. Love that sticker. And this whole other side is reserved here for Mr. Lake House Beach. Let's see, we got Lake House Beach there. We got Lake House Beach here. We got Lake House Beach here. Some of these are magnets I can move, but we're gonna keep them right there for now. And we got my newest sticker, VCcoins Nevada. There's another one of my stickers. I'm gonna keep producing both of these. Another Lake House Beach. Lake House Beach. And where'd the other one go? Lake House Beach. And there's one more Lake House Beach down here. And I think I got everybody. Oh, except for our oldies and goodies. I put their dollar bill down here. It's not really a sticker, but I taped it on there. Oldies and goodies, thank you. Got that. Let me back up real quick, guys. There we go, the update on the sticker fridge. Very cool. Growing very fast, and I love it. I appreciate all the stickers you guys sent me. I really do. Thank you, Gilson family, again. And combined with this video, I'm gonna be pouring Mr. RFT's silver bar. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, VCcoins Nevada here. I'm getting ready to pour a silver bar here for my buddy Rob Finds Treasures. He sent me a beautiful bar not too long ago, and we're going to pour him a bar tonight. So get ready for this. Pull this melted silver out of the crucible. There it is. It's for Mr. Rob. So let's see what we got here. Perfect, 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 perfect. Nothing's perfect, but we try. Turn that furnace off. That's gonna be a beautiful bar though, I think. Poured out very good. God, that shiny silver looks great. Let me just get this baby out of here. Boom. Put that baby back there. Oh, that's a beautiful bar. Let's drop this baby in a sip of water here in a little bit, cool it off. Set these over here. Take my glovies off. Wow, that turned out beautiful. There you go, guys. That's before it's even tumbled. It's really nice. Beautiful bar, Rob. I hope you like it. And I'll get it cleaned up for you and stamped, and we'll get it your way. Boom. Boom! Nice bar. Wow, that turned out really good. So Rob Finds Treasures. This is coming your way, buddy. As soon as I get it cleaned up, stamped, and wow, chunky. Anyway, ooh, that's still warm. I could warm my hands off this like a campfire. Anyway, everybody, thanks for watching. You guys have a good night or good morning wherever you are in the world, and I will show you what this looks like tomorrow. Have a good one. Later.